Hello everyone. Are you tired of having freckles that make you look older than you are? Do you want to know how to get rid of freckles fast? If so, this video is perfect for you. We will show you how to get rid of freckles fast with aloe vera and turmeric. What are freckles? Freckles are a type of pigment spot. They are small, flat, brown spots that appear on the skin. Freckles are harmless and usually develop in childhood or adolescence. They can be inherited and are often found in people with fair skin, light hair, and green or blue eyes. The number of freckles a person has can vary, ranging from a few to hundreds. Some people only get freckles during the summer months when exposed to the sun. These are known as solar lentigos or sun freckles. However, there are also freckles that persist throughout the year, which are called ephilids. Freckles are a form of hyperpigmentation caused by an increased production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin. When melanin is concentrated in certain areas of the skin, it can cause brown spots to appear. Freckles are usually harmless and pose no serious health risks. However, some individuals may wish to treat them for cosmetic reasons. Causes of freckles. As we mentioned earlier, freckles are caused by an increase in melanin production, which results in brown spots on the skin. This can be due to various factors, including genetics and sun exposure. Genetic factors play a significant role in the development of freckles. If you have a family history of freckles, you are more likely to have them yourself. People with lighter skin complexions, such as those with fair skin, light hair, and blue or green eyes, are also more prone to developing freckles. Sun exposure is another major cause of freckles. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun can stimulate melanin production, leading to the formation of brown spots on the skin. This is why freckles often become more prominent during the summer months or after sun exposure. Here are some home remedies for freckles with aloe vera and turmeric. No. 1. Aloe vera mask. Aloe vera is a popular ingredient in skincare products due to its soothing and hydrating properties. It can help calm irritated skin and reduce inflammation. To make an aloe vera mask for freckles, you will need 1/4 cup of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix the aloe vera gel and lemon juice in a bowl to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. By combining aloe vera and lemon juice, you can create a powerful mask that can help fade freckles over time. It is recommended to use this mask once a week for best results. Number 2. Turmeric and aloe vera mask. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains compounds such as curcumin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce the appearance of freckles by inhibiting melanin production. To make a turmeric and aloe vera mask for freckles, you will need 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine the turmeric powder, aloe vera gel, and lemon juice in a bowl to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. It is important to note that turmeric can stain the skin an orange or yellow color. Therefore, it is advisable to do a patch test on a small area of skin before applying the mask to your entire face. This mask should be used once a week for maximum benefits. No. 3. Aloe vera and yogurt face pack. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant that can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. To make an aloe vera yogurt face pack, you will need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In a bowl, combine the aloe vera gel, yogurt, and lemon juice. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This face pack can be used once a week to help fade freckles and brighten the skin. No. 4. Oatmeal and aloe vera scrub. Oatmeal has soothing and hydrating properties that can help nourish the skin and reduce inflammation. To make an oatmeal and aloe vera scrub, you will need 1/4 cup of ground oatmeal, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey. In a bowl, combine the ground oatmeal, aloe vera gel, and honey. Mix well to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. This scrub can be used once a week to help exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. No. 5. Aloe vera and sugar scrub. This is another simple and effective remedy for freckles. Sugar has natural exfoliating properties that can help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin underneath. To make an aloe vera and sugar scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In a bowl, combine the brown sugar, aloe vera gel, and olive oil. Mix well to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. This scrub can be used once a week to help exfoliate and brighten the skin. Additional tips. In addition to these home remedies, there are some additional tips that you can follow to help fade freckles. Stay out of the sun and avoid tanning beds. Wear protective clothing, including hats and sunglasses, when spending time outdoors. Use sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Get enough sleep to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Manage stress through techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. When to see a doctor. If you have any concerns about your freckles or notice any changes in their appearance, it is important to consult a doctor. A healthcare professional can examine your skin and provide an accurate diagnosis. They can also advise you on the best course of action, which may include medical treatments such as laser therapy or chemical peels. Conclusion. Freckles are a common skin condition that can affect people of all ages. While they are harmless, some individuals may want to reduce their appearance for cosmetic reasons. Home remedies such as aloe vera masks, turmeric and aloe vera masks, face packs, and scrubs can be effective in fading freckles. These remedies can help brighten the skin and reduce the production of melanin, which causes freckles. Additionally, staying out of the sun, wearing protective clothing, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress levels can help prevent the formation of new freckles. If you have any concerns about your freckles, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. Remember that everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It may take time and patience to find the right remedy or treatment plan that suits your individual needs. Don't be discouraged if one remedy doesn't work. Try another. With persistence, you can achieve your desired results and reduce the appearance of freckles. Thank you for watching our video on how to get rid of freckles fast with aloe vera and turmeric. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Have you tried any of these remedies for freckles? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Stay healthy and beautiful.